Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of natural gas can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen, there is a narrow pattern is forming in this particular range. So if the price started falling below this particular level of around 3.5, chances of going further down we can see it can touch a level of $3.44, and if the price falling below that particular level, chance of touching 3.37 will be there. Okay, and if the price falling below that particular level, chance of touching 3.212 will be there. Okay, and then a further fall we can see towards a level of 3.15. okay, but if the price started sustaining above this level, probability of touching 3.7 we can see, and then to a level of 3.81, and if the price going above that level, probability of touching 3.85 we can see, and then a further upside will be there. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of natural gas can move, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description, and please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description, you can join that too. Okay, I have clearly explained you that dollar index and natural gas are inversely related, even crude, gold and silver. Okay, so if the dollar index started going upside, we see the natural gas price come down, and when the dollar index started going down, we see the natural gas price goes up. Okay, so let's see how the dollar index is moving. See, dollar index now trading at a level of $99.06. A swing is formed at this level, so if it's sustained above this level, it can move towards 99.352, and from there a level of 99.6 to a level of $100.5. And if that's sustained, we can see the price can move further upside, and yes, after that the price can touch a level of $100.9. If the price going above this level, probability of touching 101.7 we can see, and then a further upside towards 102, and then further high. But if the price didn't sustain, it can come down again towards a level of 98.8 to a level of 98.6, and further fall we can see towards 98.29. okay, and this level is already tested, so the price can go further low, and yes, after the price can touch a level of 97.8, and from there a level of 96.5 to a level of further fall. Okay, coming back on the natural gas price, what we can see, as I've already explained you that dollar index and natural gas are inversely related. So suppose if the price didn't sustain, because the pattern is showing towards downside, so if it started going below this level, we can see it can touch a level of 3.55, and if that didn't sustain, a further fall we can see towards $3.51. Suppose if the price started going below this level, we can see a level of $3.44, and from there a level of 3.36. After 3.51, we can see a level of 3.41, which is already tested, so the price can touch a level of 3.36, and if that didn't sustain, we can see a level of 3.2021, and from there a further fall we can see towards $3.1481. okay, and there is a probability of going further low will be there after the price started going below 3.41. we can see it will touch a level of around $3, and a probability of going below a level of $3 we can see. But suppose if the price sustain this level, there is a chances that it can go further upside towards next level of around $3.68, and if the price going above that particular level, chances are high it can cross a level of around 3.79, and from there a level of 3.85. As soon as the price sustain above 3.85, probability of sustaining above then to a level of $4, and then we can see the price will go further upside, because this level we have seen in April of 25, so chances of going further upside we can see. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me, or given the mail IDs also.